Leetcode daily challenge. It is an easy problem today. 2273. Find a reluctant array after removing anagram. So by anagram, we know that first the order of the string doesn't matter. So which makes it easy for us to tell if two words are anagrams or not by comparing the sorted string. After that, everything will be straightforward. We just start from a empty list for result, then keep the first copy of a word while we are going through this whole list until we finish it and find out the final result.